Are you looking to supercharge your health with a delicious and nutritious superfood? Look no further than the tiny yet mighty blueberry. I'm excited to share today's video, all about the incredible superfood, blueberries. These tasty little berries pack a big nutritional punch. Blueberries are low in calories but high in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They provide so many benefits for your health, including improving brain function, reducing blood pressure, managing diabetes, and more. In today's video, I'll be sharing 9 amazing health benefits of blueberries, along with the science and research to back it up. If you're new here, remember to click the subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you can experience our fantastic health content. I'll also give tips on how to add more blueberries to your diet. This is the info you definitely want to know, so grab a snack, get comfy, and let's get into it. Benefit number 1, blueberries are nutrition powerhouses. These miniature blue dynamos are small but mighty. Just 1 cup of blueberries contains only 84 calories. But in that small serving, you get 22% of your daily vitamin C, 36% of vitamin K, and 25% of manganese. Blueberries also give you a decent amount of fiber, coming in at 3.6 grams per cup. The fiber helps keep you full and aids digestion. In addition, blueberries are made up of 85% water. This helps with hydration and makes them a great low-calorie snack. So, blueberries give you a ton of nutritional value for very few calories. It's like getting more bang for your berry. Benefit number 2, they are bursting with antioxidants. Now, you may have heard the word antioxidants tossed around a lot in relation to healthy foods. But what exactly are antioxidants and what do they do? Antioxidants are compounds that help neutralize harmful free radicals in your body. Free radicals are produced during normal cell processes, but can accumulate from things like pollution, cigarette smoke, and even sunlight exposure. When free radicals build up, it leads to oxidative stress, which damages your cells and contributes to disease and aging. This is where antioxidants like those found in blueberries come into play. They help counteract those free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. One of the most potent antioxidants in blueberries are anthocyanins. These give blueberries their rich blue-purple color. Studies show eating blueberries directly raises antioxidant levels in your body. By boosting antioxidants, blueberries help prevent cell damage and give your body the tools it needs to fight off chronic illnesses. Benefit number 3, blueberries reduce DNA damage. On top of antioxidants, blueberries provide another layer of cell protection by reducing DNA damage. As we age, our DNA endures more and more damage from oxidative stress. This degradation is what leads to many age-related diseases and the overall effects of aging. But the anthocyanins in blueberries have been found to slow this DNA damage. In one study, people who drank blueberry apple juice for 4 weeks had 20% less oxidative DNA damage than before. The antioxidants had a measurable effect at a cellular level. Blueberries help your cells stay strong and healthy for longer by limiting DNA damage. Just another way these berries promote longevity. Benefit number 4, they protect cholesterol from oxidation. Blueberries also do wonders for your heart by keeping cholesterol levels in check. We all know there's good HDL cholesterol and bad LDL cholesterol. Oxidation of LDL cholesterol leads to plaque buildup in your arteries, increasing your risk of heart disease and stroke. But studies show eating just 2 ounces of blueberries daily can decrease LDL oxidation by up to 27%. The antioxidants in blueberries neutralize free radicals before they can oxidize cholesterol. This maintains healthy arteries and improves cardiovascular function. Benefit number 5, blueberries reduce blood pressure. In addition to cholesterol levels, blueberries also help regulate blood pressure. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart attacks, strokes, and other cardiovascular issues. It's often called the silent killer, since there are no obvious symptoms. But multiple studies demonstrate daily blueberry consumption effectively lowers blood pressure. In one study, obese participants with metabolic syndrome ate 2 ounces of freeze-dried blueberries for 8 weeks. They ended up lowering their systolic and diastolic blood pressure by 5 to 6%. Researchers believe it's the anthocyanins at work again, acting as vasodilators that relax blood vessels and improve overall circulatory health. Over halfway, at number 6, they lower heart disease risk. With all these benefits for blood pressure, cholesterol, and circulation, it makes sense that blueberries promote a healthy heart. eating more blueberries has been associated with up to a 32% lower risk of heart attack in women. The anthocyanins strike again. Blueberries' antioxidants and anti-inflammatory effects help reduce damage and inflammation in blood vessels and arteries. This adds up to better cardiovascular health overall. Benefit number 7. Blueberries enhance brain function. The antioxidant power of blueberries also extends to protecting your brain. Studies demonstrate that regular blueberry intake can improve memory, cognition, and motor skills. The flavonoids in blueberries stimulate the regeneration of brain cells and enhance neuronal pathways. They also increase blood flow to the brain. In clinical trials, older adults with early Alzheimer's who drank blueberry juice daily for 3 months showed marked improvements in memory function and information processing speed. The antioxidants in these tiny berries counteract oxidative stress on the brain and preserve cognitive abilities as you age. So, eat up to stay sharp. Benefit number 8. Blueberries have anti-diabetic effects. In addition to neurological health, blueberries do wonders for blood sugar regulation and insulin sensitivity as well. Despite being sweet, blueberries have a low glycemic index because they are high in fiber. This means they do not cause major spikes in blood glucose. Studies demonstrate blueberries improve insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism in the body, 2 key factors in managing diabetes. Eating blueberries has also been linked to lower risk of metabolic syndrome, a condition related to diabetes. The phytochemicals in blueberries, in combination with fiber and low sugar content, produce anti-diabetic effects and support healthy blood sugar control. And finally, number 9, they reduce muscle damage from exercise. Here's a benefit athletes will appreciate. Blueberries can reduce muscle soreness after working out. Intense physical activity causes oxidative stress in muscle tissues, resulting in micro tears and inflammation. This manifests as that awful post-workout muscle soreness. But get this! Studies show eating blueberries minimizes exercise-induced muscle damage. The antioxidants mitigate soreness at the molecular level. In one study, athletes who ate blueberries recovered faster and experienced less muscle pain after intense leg exercises compared to those who didn't eat blueberries. So if you want to keep crushing it in the gym, blueberries can help speed up muscle recovery. To sum it up, as you can see, blueberries punch way above their weight when it comes to health perks. They truly live up to their superfood title. Here's a quick recap of some of the top benefits. 1. Improve brain health and cognition. 2. Reduce DNA damage. 3. Lower blood pressure and heart disease risk. 4. Have anti-diabetic effects. 5. Decrease oxidative stress and inflammation. 6. Protect cholesterol from oxidation. 7. Minimize muscle damage from exercise. Clearly, blueberries are tiny but mighty nutrition powerhouses. The best part is they are versatile and easy to add to your diet. Here are some simple ways to eat more blueberries. Toss them in yogurt, oatmeal, or salads. You can blend them into smoothies. Mix them into pancake or muffin batter. Snack on a handful plain or with nuts. Make blueberry sauce for desserts. I hope you learned something new about the many health perks of blueberries today. Let me know in the comments which benefit most surprised you. Now, before you run off, I do have a special gift for you. If you haven't already, make sure you click the link in the description or pinned comment and pick up your free home remedy book with over 2,000 plus homemade and natural remedies in it. It's 100% free, and I know you will love it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends. Also, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video. We're posting new natural health and nutrition content every week. And if you made it this far, thanks for watching, and have a great day or night. Take care and God bless.